Namaste, 10th standard students. Today we will discuss the questions and answers for the lesson Consumerist Culture. So, firstly, comprehensive questions of one sentence each. Answer the following questions briefly. Briefly means in short. The writer refers to the catchy phrase "shop till you drop" in an advertisement. What is the meaning intended in the advertisement? What is the meaning intended in the advertisement? The answer is the advertisement is to attract bargain shoppers to buy products at discounted price till they run out of money or become tired. Why does the writer call this opt and ionic? The writer calls this advertisement an opt and ionic summing up of the media-driven mania of mindless consumption that is characteristic of globalized in 21st century. Which word shows that the writer is condemning consumerism? Which word shows that the writer is condemning consumerism? The word mania shows that the writer is condemning consumerism. In the very first paragraph, the writer makes it clear that he supports shopping and shopping malls. He is very critical of them. The answer is he is very critical of them. Third question. The writer puts Pepsi, Coca-Cola and other artificially colored, flavored and sweetened water under absolutely unessential to human health and happiness. Sorry. A. Do you agree with this view? Answer. Yes. I agree, as artificially flavored drinks don't have nutritive value. B. List any such 5 articles, gadgets, food items which your family has been using at home and which are not absolutely good for your health and happiness. Answer. Some examples. Some of the food items we can say pizzas, burgers, chaats and fried foods and all carbonated drinks. Carbonated drinks means these are the Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Sprite, all these things are carbonated drinks. Question number 4. What is the success story of Pepsi and Coca-Cola? They are fast moving drinks which are sold not only in cities and towns but also in the remotest nook and corner of the world today. Fifth question. The second paragraph, ending list is the parallel success stories. Ending list, parallel success stories of cigarettes, liquor, cosmetics, hamburgers and fried chicken which are harmful and are not healthy for humans. Sixth question. What phrase does the writer use in paragraph number 3 to refer to advertisement? Answer. The writer refers advertisement to the machinery of persuasion in the paragraph number 3. The machinery, he has referred advertisement as the machinery for persuasion in the paragraph number 3. See, what does an advertisement aim to do? An advertisement aims to attract and influence in order to generate demand for a particular product and for particular services. Seventh question. In the writer's opinion, shopping has become, complete this sentence. In the writer's opinion, shopping has become, complete this sentence. Shopping has become more than a need. Question number 8. What thrills the present day Indian shoppers? What thrills the present day Indian shoppers? Indian shoppers of today are thrilled with the choice they have, which only the West had enjoyed for a long time. Ninth question. What was the dream come true for the US returned Indian? What was the dream come true for the US returned Indian? An US written Indian described an admiration and wonder that in America they have 83 flavors of ice cream to choose from. Sorry. He was longing for something that to happen in India, and his dream has come true as all these are available in India today. 10th question. In the sentence, in and they take it like ducks to water, in the paragraph number 5. In the sentence, and they take it like ducks to water, in the paragraph number 5. What does it mean? Who do they refer to? They refer to the upper middle class in India. They refer to upper middle class in India. And what does it refer to? What does it refer to? It refers to the high consumption lifestyles of the West. It refers to the high consumption lifestyles of the West. See, what does like water to duck means? What does like water to duck means? Indians have also adapted so easily the lifestyles of the West. The changes has been smooth and without any problem. Indians have also adopted so easily the lifestyles of the West, and the changes has been smooth and without any problem. Does the writer approve the attitude of the Indians spoken in the paragraph number 5? Does the writer approve the attitude of the Indians spoken in paragraph number 5? No. The writer does not approve the attitude of Indians spoken in the paragraph number 5. Question number 12. What is the deep irony referred to in paragraph number 6? What does deep irony refer to in paragraph number 6? The answer, the deep irony is that while the pockets of private prosperity are growing, there is scarcity of resources that belong to the public. I repeat, the deep irony is that while the pocket of the private prosperity are growing, there is scarcity of resources of the public, whatever is belonging to the public. Substantiate your answer with any one example for the paragraph. There are fashionable luxury resorts coming up for the affluent, but lung spaces for the public like parks and playgrounds are shrinking. 13. What is the trend referred to in paragraph number 6? What is the trend referred to in paragraph number 6? The trend is to push most essential services into the private realm so that some company or other company can make a profit out of it. What does the trend benefit? The trend benefits the company that can make a profit on essential services. The trend benefits the company that can make a profit on essential services. D. What is the impact of the trend on poor? What is the impact of the trend on poor? The poor are being forced to becoming consumers of increasingly expensive goods and services. The poor are being forced to consumers of increasingly expensive goods and services. 14. What are advertisers and marketing professionals work hard at? Advertisers and marketing professionals are working hard to see that even people who live at the subsistence level in remote rural areas are lured to become passive consumers of every product. How will it affect our villages? The villages will be commercially exploited. The villages will be commercially exploited, and a day is not far off when it will be easier to get a bottle of Coke rather than tender coconut or buttermilk in the villages. What impact will it have on our environment? What impact will it have on our environment? There would be an increase of plastic garbage in our environment. There will be increase of plastic garbage in our environment. 15 question in that A. What kind of vision do the enthusiasts of free market economy have in India? What kind of vision do the enthusiasts of free market economy have in India? The enthusiasts of free market economy dreams of making India look like the United States with the 2 cars in every garage and reassuring glow of McDonald and Pepsi signboards all along every highway. Do you like India to become another US? Why? And if you are saying, if you are accepting this, you should say why you want that type of change, and if you are not accepting, why not you don't want that change. I would like, see, your answer may differ. I would not like India to become another consumer society like the US. Second, what negative impacts will free market economy have on our country? What negative impact will free market economy have on our country? The negative impact of market in India, that it will be filled with tons of garbage, plastic cups, junked cars, refrigerators and TV sets that would pollute and destroy our environment and the local areas. 16. Why does the author say that the model development based on consumerism is suicidal? Why does the author say that the model development based on consumerism is suicidal? The price paid in ecological terms will make the model development on consumerism is suicidal. 17 question. What according to the writer is the only way to restore sanity? What according to the writer is the only way to restore sanity? The only way to restore sanity is for local communities, cooperatives, civil societies and democratic governments to initiate their own development, and which they had traded away to the global business corporations. I repeat, the only way to restore sanity is for local communities, cooperative societies, civil societies and democratic governments to initiate their own developments which they have had traded away to the global business corporations. Question number 18. As one of the remedies for the mess that we have created, the writer suggests a reawakening. What does he want to reawaken? The writer suggests a reawakening of the numerous enabling spiritualities and wisdom traditions of the virtuous people of the world. I repeat the answer. The writer suggests a reawakening of the numerous enabling spiritualities and wisdom traditions of the noble various people of the world. Go back to the catchy phrase, shop till you drop, in the first paragraph. What was the intended meaning of the advertiser? Answer. The advertiser's intention was that the consumers should shop till they spend. Their consumers should stop till they spend all their money buying products that they don't need at all. The advertiser's intention was the consumers should shop till they spend all their money buying products that they do not need at all. How does the writer interpret its meaning in the last paragraph? How does the writer interpret the meaning of it in the last paragraph? Answer. The writer believes that one should buy within limits. The writer believes that one should buy within limits and have the courage to say enough. And have the courage to say enough is enough to materialism. So we do not shop for unnecessary items and that are of that have no value and cause damage to our planet. Now explain why the writer calls this opt and ironic. It is opt because people are buying needlessly to satisfy their greed. It is opt because people are buying to satisfy their greed rather than on their need, loading themselves on this which have no value. They are only opting materialistic culture of the West. They are only opting materialistic culture of the West. It is ironic as we are damaging our environment, culture, traditions by following the West blindly. Why do you like the article? Why and why not? If you like the article, you should write why you like the article. If you do not like the article, you should write why you do not like the article. So, we will say our preferences. We like the article. Okay. This article is an eye-opener. Okay. This article is an eye-opener to all the Indians who buy for the sake of buying, spending money on unnecessary items. Mahatma Gandhi has rightly said that the earth has enough for everyone's need. Earth has enough for everyone's need, but not for everybody's greed. Earth has enough for everyone's need, but not for everyone's greed. We are forgetting our culture and tradition. We are forgetting our culture and traditions in our desire to be like the Western society, which is not a right thing. We must remember that we are Indians first and we are different from the West. We should remember that we are Indians first and we are different from the West. Read paragraph 4 carefully and match the statements under A with the examples under B. Shopping has become more than a need. It has become an obsessive compulsion over which we have no control. Shopping is an end in itself. It has become a form of entertainment. So, shopping has become more than a need. I was so impressed by this latest version of smartphone that I brought it using my credit card. So this matches the first one. First one for D, it matches. It has become an obsessive compulsion over which we need no control. Buying additional pair of branded shoes because there are 50% off on that. Buying additional pair of branded shoes because there is 50% off on the sale. Shopping is an end in itself. Shopping is an end in itself. I spend my weekend evening in the nearby mall. I spend the weekend evening in the nearby mall. It has become a form of entertainment. I enjoy shopping. Okay, I enjoy shopping. So, 1B, 2C, 3B and 4A. Close study. Read the following extracts carefully, discuss in pairs and then write the answers to the questions given below. It is to actualize this vision that millions of our youth are rushing to get their MBA degree. What is the vision referred to? What is the vision referred to? The vision referred to is for India from being a developing country to become a developed country and to be on par with the US, the teacher and role model for our youngsters. When the vision is actualized, what will India be referred to? When this is actualized, India will be referred to as a developed country. C. Is the writer critical or admiring our youth who are rushing to get their MBA degree? The writer is critical about the youth who are rushing to get their MBA degree, who aspire not to develop our country but to be appreciated by the Western society. Second, it is not a wise thing to hand over our businessmen the task of ruling the world as we have just done today. Answer: why shouldn't, first one in that, why shouldn't the businessmen be given the task of ruling the world? Answer: businessmen cannot be counted upon as they do not have the wisdom or the will to think of welfare of the community. B. What are they mainly trained for? What are they mainly trained for? Businessmen are mainly trained to do everything possible to maximize their profits for the corporations which employ them. Answer: businessmen are mainly trained to do everything possible to maximize their profit for the corporation which have employed them. C. According to the writer, which is the way to restore sanity? According to the writer, the best way to restore the sanity is for local communities, corporations and civil societies and democratic communities, democratic governments everywhere to take back the autonomy, and to initiate the initiative, and they had given away the global business corporations. So, whatever they have given to the global business corporation, they have to get it back, and on their own they have to initiate for the sanity. So, these are the questions and answers. Paragraph writing I will discuss in my next video. Till then, go through the questions and answers, listen to it, and in the PDF form, anyway, I will give you the answers. Thank you.